Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Microsoft Edge opening automatically. This issue usually happens when startup settings or background tasks are configured to launch apps automatically. First, open Windows Settings by pressing Windows I on your keyboard. From here, go to Accounts. Scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Find Use My Sign In info to automatically finish setting up after an update and turn it off. Next, go to Apps, then Startup, and disable Microsoft Edge from launching at startup. After that, check Task Scheduler. Search for Task Scheduler from the Windows search bar and open it. Expand Task Scheduler Library and then the Microsoft folder. Look for any Microsoft Edge entries. If found, right-click them and choose Disable. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Microsoft Edge from opening automatically by adjusting sign-in settings, disabling startup apps, and removing scheduled tasks. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.